Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay.
And today we're doing crossovers and Rumba. Okay, I'm doing leader's footwork for the crossovers and Rumba. Start my left foot going forward first. I'll go forward, I'll go side together, my first half of the box. I'll take an extra side step to my right instead of going backwards. So I'll go to the side of my right foot again. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to go forward left foot, and then I replace the weight to my right foot. I rotate back to my left foot by bringing it through and taking a side step. And then I rotate to the other direction to my left, a quarter of a turn, counterclockwise. I rotate and look this way, and I go forward and right, replace to my left foot. I rotate back again and take a side step. There's only two of those for now. I then close my left foot to my right foot, and I go on the floor, and then I close again, and then I go into my box and finish this forward, side together, back, side together. And I go through foot positions consecutively. I'm going to go forward, side, together, side, rotate, forward, replace, rotate, side, rotate, forward, replace, rotate, side, together, together, forward, side, together, back, side, together. If I do the guys' footwork with counts, it's going to be slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick.
Alrighty, so this is the followers' footwork for your crossovers and rumba. So we start with half a box, back, and then we go side together. Instead of going forward in our box, we're going to take another side step, and then we rotate a quarter, step forward on that right foot, replace back, and then a side step to the side, rotating back to your partner. And then we do the same thing the opposite way. We rotate, stepping forward on our left foot, placing back on our right, rotating to the side, and then we go side, together, together, back, finishing it out, side, together, forward, side, together. So now with foot positions, we go back, side, together, side, rotate, forward, back, rotate, side, rotate, forward, back, rotate, side, together, together, back, side, together, forward, finish it, side, together. With the timing, we go slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick.
With counts, we'll go slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. We'll go slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick. Alright, key points for the crossovers and rumba. So as we dance this together, we're going to start with the half box as normal. Forward and side together with me. I will then take an extra side step and continue my momentum to the right instead of going backwards and finishing the box. So I take my extra side step. With my left hand now, I'm going to drop it lower to just above hip height. I'll open up my hand so that my fingers are now pointing the direction that I want to go, and I'll rotate my body to get her to rotate. We're now facing the direction for our first rock step. In that rock step, I'll now go forward. We'll both go forward. We'll both replace backwards. And we're now going to shoot this leg through and take a side step, and that'll help us rotate. I'll take the other hand. Again, my fingers pointing the direction that I want to go. I'll rotate myself and go this direction. Rock, step. My foot will come through and take a side step. I'll now take her other hand, but this time, my fingers are pointing out to the side, the left side, instead of the direction I wanted to go originally. I still have this hand here. I can switch it if I want to, but the footwork is now together, together, and then we do a box. I can stay in two-hand hold for the first half of the box, and then I'll switch back to regular dance position so I can bring her forward and finish the back half of the box. So another option for this pattern is I can do more than 2 crossovers. So as I go and take my side step, I can rotate and do 1. I see her again, we can go 2. I see her again, and I can repeat this as many times as I'd like. I can choose to either end it here and do the box, or I can rotate again. Another rock, side, side. I can do 6, it doesn't matter, I can do as many as I'd like. And then as soon as I'm done, I'm going to see her, I'm going to take her hand, and I'm not going to rotate myself through, I'm just going to close my feet twice, march, in place, and then I can do this box, I'll wrap up, and finish.
So ladies, for the arms again, you can always grab your skirt when you're doing your crossover, or if that's too much, simply put your arm out. So now I'm going to talk about where we're looking and why it matters. So first we're going to start looking at our partner, and then as we rotate them, we don't want to stay looking at our partner. This is a little awkward and uncomfortable. Now I want to say hello to our guests, right? So we're at our wedding, we want to say hello to our friends and family. And then he brings us back. As we rotate back into the center, we do want to acknowledge each other and have a special moment here.
Thanks for watching this pattern. I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay. Please subscribe for more wedding videos like this in the future. And be sure to comment down below what you liked, what you didn't, and what you're looking for next time. And yeah, that's it.
This is Ballroom.
And we'll see you again soon.